Guys, last time we studied the idgham rule, and now we are going to learn about Iqlab rule. Okay, so Iqlab means to turn over, and Iqlab letter is only one, and that is ba. Okay, and if the rule is, if a noon sakin or tanween is followed by ba, it is converted into a hidden meme with separating between lips, and the reader should make gunna for 2 beats. You can see here, ba is coming after noon sakin, right?
Yes,
So here we have to make meme sound instead of noon. Noon will be converted into meme sound.
me.
This is the club rule. Simple. Understand better?
Yes, yes.
If ba comes after noon sakin, then we have to make meme sound instead of noon. It's called iqlab.
Iqlab.
Hmm.